Yo, what's happening, everybody? Welcome back here to the channel. And in this video, we're talking about a Solana pre-sale token right now that looks pretty interesting, at least based on a few factors. They have raised almost $30 million in pre-sale, which is insane. And it's an L2 scaling solution for Solana, but it has a memeable element to it. It reminds me a lot of an L2 that recently launched for Pepe, and that was Pepe Unchained, and the market took a really big dip. But when Pepe Unchained came out to market, it did have a nice performance for those who got in the pre-sale, made a nice 3 to 4x. And so I looked at this one and said, there's some similar characteristics here. Now, here's how I look at pre-sales, right? I'm not trying to 100x my money, but if I can get in and 2 to 3x, get my initial basis out plus a little profit, and then see where the project goes from there, I'm willing to kind of entertain that. Right now, 70 some odd percent of my portfolio is in Bitcoin. The other 30% blue chips, and then meme coins, and then pre-sales, slowly allocating towards some of these way higher, riskier plays, high risk plays. So I'm not allocating a ton to this, but this could be one that you find interesting, especially if you like meme coins, you like what Pepe Unchained did. I'll bring you inside this one. Go ahead and hit the like button, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. And it's called Solaxy. Solaxy is a Solana layer 2. And again, they've raised 29 plus million on their way to 30 million here. And they got a ton of crazy staking rewards. Now, I personally don't like to stake. Some people do. I like to have full, access to my funds, especially if I'm getting into pre-sales. But they've got a pretty interesting kind of roadmap here. Right now, they're in pre-sale. Okay, then they're going to have their TGE bridge and listings. Post pre-sale, the SOLX token will be deployed on multiple chains, allowing pre-sale buyers to bridge their tokens over to Solaxy Layer 2 blockchain. The token will then be available to trade on both centralized and decentralized exchanges. And then Solaxy is what Solana has sorely needed. An L2 reducing congestion, downtime, even increasing speed. It has this meme ability to it too, Solaxy, which I think is cool. It's interesting. We're seeing a lot of projects kind of do that to kind of cater to the retail investor. Tokenomics wise, 20% in the treasury, 15% marketing, 25% rewards, 10% listings, 30% development. Total supply there, as you guys can see, 138 billion, 46 million tokens. So that's the total supply there. You could buy with credit card, buy with crypto. You've seen these type of pre-sales before. Listen, guys, full transparency, nobody ever knows what's going to happen with pre-sale tokens or in crypto for that measure. But I like this one from the standpoint it has raised almost $30 million. And it reminds me a lot of Pepe Unchained and kind of early days with that. They ended up raising well over 100 million in their pre-sale, and it still did like a 4 or 5x at launch. So we'll see what happens. Not financial advice. Shout out to the team for sponsoring the video, though. I'll leave the links down below so you can check it out. And I appreciate you guys for watching.